Here you see, the topic co-education. The topic co-education. Topic of the article is co-education. We are hitting upon the title co-education. So this is the topic. Now what are the points that is to be, I have told you how to collect the idea. I am pointing out the collection of the idea. First of all, what you will write introduction. You will introduce the topic that co-education is a system. It is a system to educate girls and boys together. Number 2, the very idea of co-education. The very idea of co-education, the very idea of co-education is taken from Greek. The ancient city Greek. Now, who has given the idea? It was the Plato, the philosopher, the Grecian philosopher. It was the Grecian philosopher Plato, who believed that if development of our society, girls and boys should be educated together. If they will be allowed to be educated together, then they will develop and the society will also develop. So this is the introduction. So now the fourth point, what he believed that girls and boys should be educated together so that society. Number 3, 4th point. Now come to the 5th point. So that the society can fully develop. Here you see how I am collecting the idea. Now these very 4 ideas has been collected. Now you will write the very introduction. In introduction, that much of the point, 4 to 5 points need to be included in your article. The very first part of the article is introduction. And for writing introduction, you collect your idea. The very 4 ideas, the very 4 points collected, then organized. I have collected the 4 ideas or 5 ideas. Then it will be organized in a paragraph. Now, importance of co-education felt. The 5th point, importance of co-education was felt in the ancient time. In the foreign country, the importance of education system was felt. But we, the Indian, have taken it very late. Anyway, that is not of our way to think. Just we need to write the things that we have collected. Now come to the main body. Now come to the main body. The second paragraph, that is main body. Main body of the right. Now right in the main body. In the early Vedic period, in the early Vedic period, that is ancient time. In the early Vedic, that is ancient time. Early Vedic period, co-education was provided in a few places. Here the history. Though co-education was also provided in India, but it was provided in some of the places, not in the whole India. So here in the main body you will write about that it was provided, but gradually female education here you see how I am developing. I am giving you the historical background of the co-education, that how it started in India. Here you see the main body. In the introduction, I have given you the importance from where the idea is been derived from. But here I am discussing about what? That how the female education gradually came to the India. In the ancient Vedic period, during the Vedic period, early Vedic, that is in ancient time, co-education was provided in few places. कुछ ही जगहों में इसका few places में होता था. But gradually female education began to be ignored. But gradually we the Indian ignored importance of female education, and we haven't allowed the girl child for the education. So co-education has not developed here. Moreover, the co-education system, the system of education, moreover, the system of education, at that time was quite different. System of education during the ancient time was quite different from that system that is right now is prevailing. Now, they are different from the today. The boys stayed in Gurukul. The moreover, the system of education was quite different from today. The boys stayed in Gurukul. The boy stayed in Gurukul. In Gurukul. Here you see, the boys remain in Gurukul. Whereas the girls are sent to the Gurukula also. The girls were not sent, but girls are not sent. Were not sent to Gurukul. They are provided education by a special teacher confined to their home. So, in this way, girls were deprived from the education. You see, though in the Vedic period there was a practice of co-education, but it was not carried out throughout the country. Now, the present system of education, today is a different from the ancient period. The system of education was different from today. The boys stayed in Gurukul, whereas girls were not allowed. They were not sent to the Gurukul. They were taught by their special teacher in their own confinement. So in this way, the girls were not treated properly. They were deprived from the education. So this is the main body. Now come to the conclusion. What you will write in your conclusion? That it is high time that we should realize the importance of co-education. If we want a happy and healthy society, if we want a developed society, it is high time. How to write the conclusion? Come to the right conclusion. The conclusion. The last paragraph, that is the third paragraph. It is high time. It is high time to take a challenge. To take a challenge that girls should be allowed to receive education without any glitch, without any hurdle. If the society could only develop, how the society will develop? The society will develop only through that comradeship. Comrade Plato, the great philosopher, has rightly said that if we want a full development of our society, then girls should be allowed to be educated. If the boys and girls will read together, there will be it will develop a sense of friendship, it will develop sense of cooperation and sense of so many things. So we need to realize that the development of the society cannot be dreamt about without co-education. Co-education is the pillar. Co-education is the pillar of society. So this is what the article will be concluded. So these are the 3 steps for writing an article. Dear children, how I have developed an article? Co-education. The topic, suppose you are asked in your examination to write an article on the topic co-education. The very points, the points are the way that I have introduced how to write. It is just only a sample writing. It is only a sample writing. You may write your article in your own way. But the thing that is basic, introduction, first paragraph, introduction. The second paragraph, main body. And the third paragraph, that is conclusion. So in this way you may write an article. So you understand, my dear children? This is the way you may write. You may write an article. So this is the way: introduction, main body, conclusion. So remember how to write an article. So this is the way to write an article. I suppose you might have understood how to write an article. First of all, stick to the format. The format, first of all you write the topic. Then you write the writer's name. The first paragraph will be the introduction of the topic. How I have introduced the topic co-education that is given to you. You just collect your idea. The order and case is to be followed. Collect your idea, organize it, draft it, edit it, revise it. And how I am keeping it short and simple, you may have seen. So dear children, for writing any article, tomorrow you will bring a topic, or I will give you a topic. Spontaneously, you may give me a topic and I will tell you how to write about an article. The format is to follow, the system is to follow, writing is very easy. Just start writing and you will be able to finish an article. So that's what I want to say. Thank you.